Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview February 4th, 2015. What a beautiful day coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies, nice breeze, cool, no air conditioning, absolutely wonderful. Traders, this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, in the market opening preview we discuss 6 currency pairs. And what a wild day it was yesterday. I was not in the market, but when I saw the charts today, I was like, wow, what happened? So you'll get a good look at that as we look at the charts. But first, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview series and also the Friday wrap-up, which is about 6 or 7 hours after the New York close. That's where we go over about 10 to 16 daily charts, and we look at the previous week and the week to come and try to do some analysis on what we can expect to happen. All right, traders, I started trading in 2006. In 2008, I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I took a 3-month holiday to Thailand, and I am still here, and it's 2015. I think I'm still on vacation. All right, traders, let's get the legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders, this is so important. Please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, so what do you say? How about we hit it over to some calendar? What do we got on the calendar today? We had the Royal Bank of New Zealand Governor Wheeler spoke today. They had a lot of numbers coming out, and I'm expecting that's why the charts look the way they do. They had an employment change, which was positive. However, unemployment rate is now at 5.7. It was at 5.3. Moving into our day, we do have, during the London session, we have services PMI out of the Great British Pound. Wow, I don't see very much going on. And in the New York session, we have ADP non-farm employment change. Yes, it is NFP week, non-farm payrolls week, and that will come out on Friday. Also, the CAD has data coming out during the New York session, which is the IVPMI. Definitely can move the market, and also ISM non-manufacturing PMI out of the United States. So the later half of our day is quite busy, I would have to say. Let's take a look at the markets, see how they closed. The Dow 30 closed up at 1.76%. The S&P 500 closed up at 1.44%. The NASDAQ closed up 1.09%, with the Russell 2000 closing up at 1.83%. Let's head over to the Eurozone. The DAX was up 0.58%. The FTSE 100 was up 1.32%. And the CAC 40 was up 1.09%. And the Eurostoxx 50 was up 1.31% at the close. Traders, let's come on over to my side of the world in Asia. These markets are currently trading. The Nikkei T25 is up 2.17%. The S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney is up 1.16%. The Shanghai is up positive 0.66%, with the Hang Seng up 0.92%, and ending this series with the Kospi is up 0.69%. Well, commentary is I was at the London Open, and I did have my charts, and I was ready to trade, and, well, London didn't do it, but the New York session sure did. Wait till you see some of these charts. Let's get moving. We're going to take a look at traders. We're going to look at some 60-minute Forex charts, and as usual, we're going to start with the euro dollar. Now, who would have ever thought that the euro would be back up at 1.15 when 2 weeks ago it was down at 1.12? Yeah, this is a news event. Okay, this is a news event. I don't know which one it is. I couldn't figure it out. Probably because I didn't pay too much attention. But this is a news event. Now, we just want to see this break this trend line, and we want to take this down. I am not buying the euro dollar. Okay? I am not going to buy the euro dollar. This can come all the way up to here. I don't care. I am not buying the euro dollar unless we have a change of trend. Look at this bottom Bollinger Band curl to the upside. So we want to see this break. And this is another one where we're going to have to wait for the London Open to see what happens. Here's the pound, another one. Look at this price action. Yesterday, this was bearish. We were looking at selling this. Well, I have to tell you, I really don't know what to tell you, traders, on the pound dollar. I would stay with the bias of the daily chart and keep selling it. The problem is it's hugging on the daily chart. It's hugging the 200 exponential moving average, and it's just wobbling around there, and it's making these moves that are just so unpredictable. And we have data coming out for the pound today, so just be careful of that. Over to the Aussie. Aussie again, doing things that we would never expect it to do. Came all the way down to 76, and now is back up at 78, almost 79. And, here we are. Like, now what are we going to do here? Well, I take my bias from the daily chart. So, give me a bearish candlestick formation, breaking this trend line. This is like a 5-touch trend line. It's valid. Get a bearish candlestick formation, and I will sell this. I have no intentions of buying the Aussie dollar. Okay, we do not want to buy the Aussie dollar. You can if you want, but just realize that's a counter trend trade. The bias is bearish. Take a look at the Euro Aussie. Not much difference from yesterday. It's still in this range. It did pop the range yesterday, and I have to tell you, it did a good job. It was a pretty decent trade. So I'm looking to buy this. This is bullish. This pair is very bullish. And we're at a great spot right now to just take this up to resistance right at where we're at right now. However, as you can see, it's sideways, and I do this during the Asia session when I make this video. So I would wait for the London Open, and let's make sure we get some directions. However, if you get a bullish engulfing candle and it takes out like the high of the previous candle, you know what? I'd be with you. I'd probably take that and just keep a tight stop on it and just take this up to resistance. As you can see, I have it marked on the chart. Here's Euro Yen. Here's another one that's, this is, oh, I don't want to buy this. This is bearish. Whatever this news was or whatever came out just took the markets and flung it. And it's like, I don't know what to tell you, traders. I've been trading from 2006, and I got to tell you, I was like really shocked when I opened up the charts today and saw so many charts with these different price actions from the day before. And I think that's what's caught my attention. And just be real careful. But yeah, we're resistance up here. We don't want to buy this, right? We want to sell this. We want to see a nice bearish candlestick, maybe a second one, and then we can get in this and take this down. And if you took it down from here and went to 133.97, which is a 200 exponential moving average, you have a wonderful trade. That's a beautiful trade. There's plenty of pips there to make some profits. So, just be careful with these pairs today, and let's see what happens. We do have data coming out, and we have a lot of data in the New York and London session. All right, New Zealand, here's another one. This pair is so bearish, right? Look at this, one day. This was a over 200 pip day, right? Where's it at? The 200 exponential moving average. I just wanted to point out that the Fibonacci that you're seeing level on this chart is from the daily chart. And the reason I put it on here was I wanted you to see that 38.2% fib is right above this 200 exponential moving average. So there's a good chance price can bounce from here and head on up to that 38.2. I don't expect that to happen. I expect this to all calm down and settle down. We did have New Zealand data coming out a couple hours ago. I'm sure that's why we're seeing that big blue candle. And, this pair needs to really settle down. And I would not touch this pair probably until like 90 minutes into London. This is not one where I would play with right at the open. This is a pair where we really need to be cautious with. This pair is bearish, folks. Take a look at the daily chart. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading. I'd like to thank you for being with me on this Wednesday, February 4th, 2014. It's great to be with you, and I have to tell you, it is absolutely gorgeous outside here, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. White sandy beaches, people walking around. It's just unbelievable. And I'm a little bit late today, so it's actually 10:15 a.m. my time, but really, it is just absolutely gorgeous outside. Traders, I wish you a happy trading day, and please, please, please be cautious in your